In this Thursday episode, we're going to be looking at the fact that sometimes you're going to have a verb in Greek that doesn't have a direct object in Greek, but the English translator has to supply a direct object to make any sense out of it at all. In Philippians 3:12, here we go. Not that already I have obtained, I have received, and then a variant, but the variant has to do with the following passage. Or already have arrived at my goal is the NIV translation, have reached perfection is the NLT. But the point of this blog is to look at this first part. Not that already I've received. Well, I received what? Well, it's a transitive verb, but for some reason, Paul didn't feel it's important to supply the direct object. And so what's interesting is to watch people struggle with this. NIV, already obtained all this. The Net Bible, these things. If you go to the NASB, not that I have already obtained it. And you notice the NASB italicizes it because they're adding it in. ESV, obtained this. CSB, reached the goal. So what they're all struggling with is the fact that in English you cannot say, not that already I received. Received is a transitive verb. You got to have a direct object in English. And so the translators look at context and supply what makes sense to them. It's a perfectly legitimate and often necessary thing to do in translation.